Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers, cheap, Grayslake, local and long-distance movers near me. We ensure your long-distance move happens in a timely manner without the stress. When you want to move 100 miles away or even 2,500 miles away, our team will help. With us, you get all the best moving services to make relocating so much easier. Our experts handle all the necessary moving options, including the following: packing and unpacking services, moving supplies, and on-time move and upfront pricing. If you need to hire an Illinois moving company, rationalizing the cost may seem difficult. However, following a close look at the primary perks of working with a local moving company, you're likely going to find that it's well worth it. You will definitely save time with your local move when you work with a moving company. Movers also ensure you don't need to stress over injury because they do all the heavy lifting. Our moving crew will make it simple to get to your new location without nearly as much worry. When moving with a local company such as 3 Movers, you obtain a more efficient approach for moving day. Even if your move is big enough that it would take you all week, we can get it done in less than a single day. In addition to local and long distance moving, our Grayslake moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.